Hi guys, I'm listening to the feedback of the team. I did hear that a lot of people wanted to learn macros. We'll start from the very basic. This will be just real quick. First is we'll cover section A, which is showing the developer ribbon, toggling macros, and showing the visual basic. For showing the developer ribbon, if you're using an older version of Microsoft Office like 2010, the layout is a little bit different, but it should show similarly on how you do it here. First, E1, let's show the developer ribbon. To do that, click here, File, click Options. We just have to select Customize the ribbon. And to show the developer ribbon, we're going to do that. And the reason why you want to do that is you will have this, and this is where the macros are. Next is toggling macros. There are two ways to do this. I'll show you the short method and then the long method. So the first method is to go here, File, click Options, then go to Trust Center settings, and then you can go to macro settings. Here you can disable all macros without notification, and you can select if it's all enabled. And another way to do that is actually from the developer ribbon. From the developer ribbon, we just have to click on macro security, and it will actually take you there immediately. So the reason why people who code want this or have this feature enabled is simply because you can toggle here really quickly. Next is showing the Visual Basic window. So it's an application that can support other applications within operating system as long as you can reference to that. So with referencing, we'll discuss that in the next video. But just to start off, you just can click here on Visual Basic. And the easiest way to do that is just to do Alt F11. So some people might already know this or might not use the shortcut. For the benefit of the people who are just starting, we'll discuss that just real quick. You do not need to have the developer ribbon activated for that to show. So just to give you an example, we're going to close that out. That's not there, and I just press Alt F11. It will show the Visual Basic application already. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, comments, or suggestions on, like, if you got stuck on something, feel free to leave a comment on the group thread or on YouTube, and I will respond to them as soon as possible.